Dear scholars, let us begin learning a lesson 2.2, the souvenir. Here souvenir means remembrance or a thing that is kept as a reminder. For example, you might have been to a trip and you might have purchased or bought something from there. Whenever you see that thing, you recall, you remind of the trip. So, whatever you purchase, that works as a reminder of the trip you experience. So, such a things are called as souvenir. So, here we are going to start learning this lesson, which is about a trip. Usually, when we think of the trip, we know that trip goes to different places, towns, cities, states, or different countries. But here, this trip is going to the moon. So, whatever story given over here, that is imaginary, and the author of the story or the writer has imagined that in future the longest trip may go to the different planets. So here whatever story is being told, that is taking place in future, and here the trip is going to the moon. So let us see some of the paragraphs of this lesson today. So if we begin from the first paragraph, what is given? Siley was very excited as her trip was going to the moon. Siley, who is living on the earth, now she is going to enjoy the trip on the moon. She was sitting in the space shuttle and looking and observing the scenes continuously. She was wondered because whatever she had read and seen on the videos, she was taking real experience of all of them. So it is all about the first paragraph. You can read the paragraph to know in much detail. What is next in second paragraph? That is what? The space shuttle had left the land and going high and high. The bright blue sky was looking very black. The clouds had disappeared and the stars were shining bright. Here in the next paragraph, there is little discussion between Siley and her mother, and later Siley and her grandmother. What Siley's mother said? As this trip is exorbitantly expensive, very expensive, costly. What trip? The trip to the moon. But when her mother was child, the longest trip in their period was meant going to Europe only. So it was in the period of her mother, when her mother was child. But when her grandmother was a child, at that time, or when Siley's friend Neha's grandmother was child, their longest trip used to go to Delhi or Kolkata. So as the time passes, as the generation passes, the distance of the trip increase. So it was to different states in the period of grandmother. Later on in the next generation, as it is of mother, it was to the Europe, that is different country or continent. And now the third generation is of Siley, where the trip is going to the moon. Let us see the next paragraph. The shuttle completed one round. The shuttle completed revolution round the moon in every 32 minutes, and the dome-shaped settlements were looking like igloos of Eskimos now. That is what they were reaching to the moon. The space shuttle was very close to the moon at that time. What is further? The shuttle landed safely and successfully at the Neil Armstrong base, one of the places on the moon, which is at one of the settlement. Here settlement means colony. So as the shuttle landed safely, the children came out of it and started looking around. Whom they meet over there? There was a receptionist who was there to welcome them and give them some instructions. So receptionist welcomed them all and gave some instructions and asked them all to take some precautions. So what were the instructions? Here are the two instructions specially given. Let us see in detail. The gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth, but in the human settlements it is same as on the earth, because whatever gravitational force is observed in the human settlements on the moon, that is artificially maintained, but outside the settlements the gravitational force is 1/6 that of the earth. So here the receptionist asked them to be careful while doing any activity outside the dome shaped settlements. Next, what is it? The another instruction was about shopping. It is related to shopping on the moon. What was that? See here, buy the articles. The receptionist tell them to buy the articles only from the shop which are inside the dome shaped settlements, because in those shops genuine articles, that is authentic or real articles, are sold in such a shops. So buy the articles from those shops only, or do the shoppings there only. Do not buy anything from unauthorized shops outside the settlements. So whatever shops are there outside those settlements, they are unauthorized. Whatever things or articles sold over there, they are not genuine. So be careful about shopping also. And at last the receptionist wished them very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. So this is all about today's video. Further story we will see through the next video.